given, this is the example that we would like to see today. That our organization is granted block addresses with beginning address given to be first address. Beginning address is given to be 14, 24, 74, 0, and 24 is the length of prefix. You got the idea? Now, an organization needs to have 3 subblocks of addresses. You got the idea, to use in its 3 subnets. So now, whatever is the number of given what I'm saying, this thing. So this is taken as what I'm meant to say. Organization needs to be having 3 subblocks of addresses, 3 subnets. One subblock of 10 addresses, another subblock of 60 addresses, and remaining 120 addresses are there. So 120 plus 60 is 180 plus 10, 190 addresses are there. Design the subblocks. You got the idea? Design the subblocks. Now, since how many addresses are there in the block, that is what I want to find. Am I clear over here? So this is nothing but prefix length. So this is capital N. Capital N is equal to, we know that this is nothing but formula is nothing but, if I want to know how many network addresses are possible. Sorry. So here, how many network, so here, this is nothing but capital N. Okay. So is the formula, this is nothing but 2 raised to power 32. You got the idea, 2 raised to power 32 minus N. So in this case, we have this N is equal to 24. So small n is given equal to 24. You got the idea, one is given to be 24. So I have the formula 2 raised to power 32. You got the idea, minus 24. Minus 24. So this gives me equal to 2 raised to power 32 minus 24. How much it will be? 2 raised to power
8.
How much? 2 raised to power 8.
8.
And 2 raised to power 8 is nothing but 256. You got the idea, 256. So this 256 is the number of address blocks that have been assigned. Number of address blocks that have been assigned. Now this 256 has to be divided into 3 subnetworks. You got the idea, 3 subnetworks. So one subnetwork has to be given 10 addresses, another subnetwork has to be given 60 addresses, and a third subnetwork has to be given 120 addresses. And I have to calculate the beginning address of these 10, first subnetwork, the beginning address of, network addresses of 10 first and last. Then 60, what will be the beginning network address and what will be the last network address. And here also, what will be the beginning and what will be the last, right? So first address is nothing but 14, 24, 74, 0 of 24. So since it is starting from 0, so I have taken this, and the last address is 255. So total 256. These are the, so this is the first address which was given to us. The organization is granted block address beginning from this. This was given to us, that it is beginning from this. So we are not changing anything. So beginning address has been given to us. So this is my beginning address which is given to me. You got the idea, this is beginning address. You got the idea, it is given to me, and the last address is nothing but to this 256 total. So 0 and 1 to 255 is 255 plus this 0. So total 256 addresses are given. So I know that the whole number of addresses, 256 addresses that have been assigned to organization. Say it can be Infosys, it can be Wipro, it can be anything. So now they want to subdivide into 3 subnetworks, where they want to give first subnetwork 10 addresses, second subnetwork 60 addresses, and third subnetwork they want to give 120 what I meant to say addresses. Let us see how exactly this can be done. Now, number of addresses, what I'm saying, the largest sub block requires 120. We have seen the third is requiring 120. But 120 as such, we see that it is not power of a 2. So the nearest number, which is power of 2, approximately equal to 120, you got the idea, is nothing but 128, which can be expressed as 2 to the power 7. So the first subnetwork, I will allocate how many addresses? 128 out of 256 addresses. This is what I'm going to allocate, right? So subnet mask for this can be found. Now what will be my, you got the idea? This subnet mask for this subnet can be found as N1 32 minus log of this. So 25 is this N1. N1 is what? It is the prefix value. Got the idea? So first address in this block is 14, 24, 74, 0, 25. You got the idea? And the last address is 1. You have this formula, convert that entire thing into binary. You got the idea? And first 25 bits you should take as it is prefix, and the last what I'm meant to say bits what remain. That means 32 minus 25 means 7 bits. You make it all zeros, you will be getting the first address. And this is the last address, by formula. Now we need second subnetwork, we need 60 addresses. Again, 60 is not power of 2. 60 is not power of 2 either. So 60, the nearest power of 2 to this 60 is 64, which can be expressed as 2 to the power 6. So to the second network, I'll be allocating 64 addresses. 64 addresses. You got the idea? So subnet mask for this is N2 will be 32 minus log to the base 2. 64 is nothing but 26. Based on this, I calculate what I meant to say. The first address in the block is 128. You got the idea? 14, 24, 74. This doesn't change. Only this much changes. So you have seen first address of this 120 is 0 and 127. Next is starting from 128. And how many it is going till 26. You got the idea? So 26 means it is going till 191. So this is there. Now the third number, no, this we have already seen actually. You got the, this we have already seen. This should have been 10 actually. This, I'm sorry, this should have been 10 actually. Third, this is wrong somewhere. Third, we wanted to have this, right? The problem said we wanted to have 10 addresses, right? So 10 addresses means 10 addresses. So which is not power of 2. So the nearest of 10 is nothing but 2 to the power 4, which is nothing but 16 addresses. Have you understood? So sub-block, one sub-network has to be given 10 addresses. This is what our formula was. This is what our formula. Can you see the screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So I've just changed it. So see, here we wanted 10 addresses. So we have addressed now 120 addresses, 60 addresses, and 10 addresses are to be, taken. So 10, third one, C. I took it from textbook directly. So, but this is wrong. I'm sorry, I could not judge there. So 10 addresses, which is not a power of 2. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. So I'll take this as 16. Take this as 16. So 32 minus 4. So this should be 28.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 28. So now the addresses where it will start will be, just add on this. So 191. So it should start from 192. You got the idea? Then add 22 to it, starting from 192. You got the idea? Add what I'm saying, 28. So 192 plus 10 is 202 plus 10 is how much? Is what I meant to say 214, sorry, 214. Is it 192? So sorry, 212 plus 8 you add. You got the idea. 212 plus 8, 220, up to 220. So this will be, I think this becomes how much? 22, 28 addresses if you add 190, starting from 192. So 192 means here I'll be getting 9 addresses, 9 plus 10, 19, 19 plus, 8. So should be
27.
227, right? Is it okay? 227 or it will be different? 192 you have to count. 192 you have to count. So 192 and then 8 addresses, total 9. That becomes 200. So 9, then 10 you add. So that becomes, 210. So total 19 now. And I want, so add 9 more to it. You got the idea? So 200, 219. This should be 219. 219. Oh, sorry. 219. Hopefully I am correct. Okay. So 219. Okay. So how come they are giving 208? There is some calculations mismatch. So how many addresses we have allocated total? It is 120. First one we have allocated 128 addresses. You got the idea? 128 addresses. Next we have allocated 64 addresses. Next we have allocated 16 addresses. You got the idea? So how much it will be? 128 plus what I'm saying 64. So 128 plus 64. So 120. You got the idea? 8 addresses. Next we have allocated 64 addresses. Next we have allocated 16 addresses. You got the idea? So this was 120 was the demand here, and 60 was the demand here, and 10 was the demand here. So those who the first network wanted 120, so we converted into 128. Second subnet wanted 60, so we converted it to 64, and third subnet wanted 10, we got it 16. So this will be 18. You got the idea? And then 1 if you add, so this will be
208.
208.
so total 208. You got the idea? So this is what I have done. Out of 255 total, what I mean, so this thing minus 208, 256 it should have been 256 addresses anyway. So how much is this? This is 48. If you calculate this 256 minus 208, this should be 56, because we have started with 256 addresses, right? You got the idea? So block of addresses, so 256 addresses, 256 addresses we wanted. So this cannot be what I meant to say 255. A lot of mistakes are there in the textbook. I'm sorry, I have taken it as it is without verifying. So this should be. So here it should have been. You got the idea? Keep annotation. So 256. So 256. So what is the value of this 256 minus 48? How many? Is it equal to 48? 256 minus 208. How much is it?
48.
48.
8.
48. So
Yes,
these many are left unused. These many are left unused. Am I clear over here? So this particular part has not been allocated to any of the subnets. Any of the subnets. You got the idea? So this is how we will design subnetwork. Any organization, it can be big organization, say ABC Corporation, and it has requested for a bulk of network addresses. Now this corporation is having 3 offices, assuming that 3 offices. You got the idea? So it wants to assign 160 addresses to one office, and 60 addresses to another office, and another office is very small, 10 addresses. But then subnetwork has to be designed properly. So this is a design question actually. So we have seen that to the first subnetwork we have given 128 addresses. Second network, second subnet we have given what I meant to say 64 addresses, and third subnet we have given 16 addresses. Despite that, we have another unused. Suppose this company opens office in some other place, fourth office in some other place, the remaining 48 addresses can be allocated as a subnet. This is how you should design. So where the address will begin from, where it will end, where it will begin, where it will end, every subnetwork you have to do. So have you understood the concept of subnetting and giving addresses to the subnets?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
tell me.
Sir, in the question it was given that the address which is given, it is the first address.
Question it is given.
The address with the beginning.
Oh no, I have yeah. No, this again I have overshooted. Just 1 minute. I'll come to the question. This is the question which is given. Beginning address has been given.
Yes, sir. After allocating the bits.
And they have been given total 256 addresses. You got the idea?
Yes, sir. But after finding everything, the next slide, it is written the first address is so.
First address is this, na Baba. What is that? That is what I meant to say. No, see, these are the 3 sub-blocks. He has taken the major big sub-block as first subnetwork, because this is the major requirement. Always you start with the largest number of the network addresses that should be given to the so though order is given like 1 2 3, but while sub-designing the network, you should take the highest number of addresses that are required as first, then next, and this way your design becomes efficient. So total, this is the only starting address is given, but I don't know how many addresses have been allocated to this particular company, this particular organization. So I have simple formula, capital N is equal to 2 raised to power 32 minus prefix. This is given.
Yes,
so based on this, I understood that this particular company or organization has been allocated with what I'm saying 256 addresses. Now, out of 256 addresses, network addresses that have been given to this particular organization, it has 3 companies. Say Infosys having an office in Bangalore, in Chennai, and in one in say Delhi. So Delhi office, it wants to give what I would say 120 addresses, and Chennai office, it wants to give what I meant to say 60 addresses, and Bangalore office, it wants to give only say 10 addresses, assuming that company, say the Infosys, it can be any corporation.
Yes.
Now you have to design the subnetwork. So where the address will start, so obviously it will start from 0. You got the idea?
Yes.
And that's
yes, sir,
yeah, tell me.
In the next
so have
slide.
I answered your question? Have I answered your question?
Yes, sir. In the next slide.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, I have to go to next slide.
Next. So this slide.
Upper part or lower part?
Part. If
Upper
all the
part.
addresses are
Okay.
The first address is this one, sir. This line. The first address in this block is 14.124.
14.24.74 192. 192 I have taken because the last address here was 191. You got the last address of the second network was 191. So here I have taken it as 192. I'll continue from 192 and 28 addresses, that is going up to 290.
Okay.
And 128 addresses were given to first subnetwork, 64 were given to second subnetwork, and 16 were given to third subnetwork. So 208 total networks were there. So 256 minus 200.